it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel, Bases Loaded Lacquer. Today I will be swatching for you 3 absolutely stunning creams from Madam Glam. Madam Glam reached out to me a couple of weeks ago, asked if I would be interested in doing a bit of PR for them on my channel. I said yes, absolutely. I had no idea what they were going to be sending me other than, and I can't remember how she worded it, something like everything you would need basically to get started using gels if you've never used gels before. They do have on their website sort of like starter kits or little bundles that come with a base coat and a top coat. Anyway, this is what I got in my box. Obviously, a base coat and a top coat. 3 freaking stunning creams, absolutely perfect for fall. I also got a little mini lamp with a USB cord. I do have a link. I will have a link down in the description box where you guys can use my 30% off discount code. I will also put it on the bottom of the screen right here for you guys. Please, if you plan to use my code at madamglam.com, please follow the link that I have in the description box. That will take you where you need to go. And then, of course, you'll have to put the code in at checkout. So anyway, let me get all this unboxed and I will be right back. So of course you will be receiving, or at least I received, what you'll see me use, the base coat and the top coat. I do plan to swatch these on nail tips. So I'm not going to use the base coat because I really don't care how long the polish stays on a little fake tip. So I won't be using the base coat, but I did get that in my box. I will obviously be using the top coat. But let's talk about these creams, you guys. This is a green and it is called, where are we? Lost in the Woods. Oh, stunning. It's almost like a muted neon. It's so beautiful. Lost in the Woods. Old school. I really can't pick a favorite, but I think I'm really digging Old School and Bad Mood. These two, absolutely perfect for fall, and also the green, especially if you're doing any kind of fall nail art, obviously leaves, trees, whatever, what have you. This green is absolutely perfect. And then let's jump over here into the little mini lamp. These little legs pop out, boom, 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 so that you'll set up right there. It came with, of course, the USB charger. Now my mani lamps that I have here in my salon, on the backs of them, I have 2. I have one on each side over here. They both have USB chargers in them, so I'm lucky in that way. But, you know, if you want to... And this cord is pretty long. I didn't measure it. Hold on. It did come with instructions. I'm not sure how long the cord is, actually. Sorry, you guys. But what I was going to say is you might be able to, I don't know, plug this into your laptop or something. It just needs, you know, electricity. It needs to be able to function. So I just plugged this into the back of my lamp, or my mani lamp. Now I will say there are 2 different settings on this, and again, it comes with little instructions. If you press the button once, it's going to turn it on for 30 seconds. Where am I? Wait, where did it go? Hold on. Oh no, once for 45 seconds and twice for 60 seconds. I'm just gonna play it safe and swatch all of these, or cure all of these swatches, 60 seconds each. So you'll see me go bloop bloop and like double tap it. Press it a 3rd time and it'll turn the lamp off. But this is perfect. This is perfect. So I really appreciate Madam Glam sending me this cute little box. And truth be told, I was so excited about this that I went out and I made another purchase because I don't have a lot of gel polishes, you guys. I don't use gels. Obviously, I have my own brand and I make regular polish. But when G Money was here over the summer, she put, actually I have it right here. She put this thermal gel on my toes. It was on for 2 months. Like, hello, I love it. But I actually sent her home with all the gel polishes that I had. But she left this one for me because I loved it so much. I really should have rethought that. G Money, you shouldn't have gone home with any of that gel polish, to be honest. But I'm just kidding. So I literally only had one. This was the only gel polish that I had. Of course, I already have a base and a top coat, but now I have 2 bases and 2 top coats. So after I got this little box, I went out to Madam Glam and I made another purchase. So now I have a white coming on the way, and I have a black coming on the way, and I think a beautiful orange for Halloweeny. So yeah, be on the lookout for some gel nail art videos from your girl. Okay, let's go ahead and get this all set up. Before I forget, I'm probably going to be switching back and forth between the brush that obviously is in the bottle, and then I also bought this Maniology brush. So I'll probably be using this during application as well. I don't know. Again, I'm not super duper well versed in gels, so I'm just going to do my swatches the way I'm comfortable doing them, whether they're with an external brush or the brush in the bottle. But the key will be very thin coats. And if y'all see me swatch my polishes, y'all know I'm a thick coat gal, okay? So that's probably going to be the most difficult thing for me, is to just keep it thin. Keep it thin, sis. Okay, let me get my tips set up and I will be right back. So my tips are ready to go. One thing I am going to do is just hit these with a lint-free wipe quickly, just in case I had any oils on my fingers when I press these on here. You know, just cleaning them up, just a little smidge. Wipey, wipe, wipe. And speaking of alcohol, one of the benefits, for me anyway, of gels is that I can use alcohol to clean up on my skin, my brushes. You know, I don't have to use acetone, you guys. So, all right, so I'm just going to grab one of these bad boys. Again, let's just run through the names quickly. Bad Mood, oh, so yummy. Lost in the Woods and Old School. Perfect, perfect neutral, beautiful base. Just a beautiful nude, absolutely beautiful. Okay, guys, here we go. I will turn on the tunes now, and you guys can sit back and watch me paint. While that's curing, I just thought I would pop on here, put that first coat on. I don't know for sure yet because, again, it's only one very thin coat, but Lost in the Woods might be a bit more on the jelly side as opposed to the cream side, like we just saw with Old School. So I don't know. Let's give this some more, couple more coats probably. We'll see. We'll see what kind of finish it really has. Lost in the Woods. here is 3 coats of Lost in the Woods. I did get a little bit of puckering over here on the side. I must not have noticed that my coat was a bit too thick on that side. And of course there's a freaking fuzz. Ugh, I thought I grabbed it and wiped it off on my mat. Apparently not. So, you know, those are just S happens, you know, fill in the 4-letter word, S word. It happens. Upon 3 coats, the chickens across the street from me are going crazy. Sorry if y'all can hear them. Definitely after applying 3 coats, Lost in the Woods to me is definitely more jelly. Leans more jelly than cream, but I mean, that's pretty great coverage in 3 thin coats. So stunning, stunning. And with the having a bit more of a jelly consistency, as opposed to just a really thick, overly pigmented cream. You could do pond manis with this one. Those would be beautiful. So there is Lost in the Woods. It's absolutely stunning. Stunning. Okay, we're about to move on into our final swatch, you guys. There you have it, you guys. I cured every coat 60 seconds in my lamp. Don't forget, you have to double click, double boop the power button, because 1 boop will give you 45 seconds, 2 boops will give you 60 seconds, just for consistency purposes. I did every single coat for 60 seconds. I did, shit, I've already forgotten, 2 coats or 3? I think 2 on this is Old School. I know I did 3 coats on Lost in the Woods. You guys saw me swatch Bad Mood right there in the middle. Again, I don't know what's going on with these fuzzy things, y'all. I use lint-free wipes, you know, when I'm wiping down all of the things with alcohol. I don't know if I have something on my brush. Anyway, that's not why we're here. I'm just here to show off these absolutely stunning colors. So again, old school, bad mood. This polish does not put me in a bad mood, I will tell you that. And the green is Lost in the Woods. Look at these flawless fall colors. Big, 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 humongous thank you to Madam Glam for trusting me to swatch these beauties. Like I said, I have another order on the way. Hopefully I'll be doing some fall nail art with these. I think I have a black and a white coming because again, I don't even own those. I don't know, a couple of Halloween-y type colors. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Again, here is the link. Here is down in the description is the link, but here is my discount code that you can use at Madam Glam to save yourself 30%. And I mean, they have everything. They have glitters, they have multi-chromes, they have thermals, obviously. Yeah, just check and see if they still have a award winner. It's a beauty, and it's like got some sparkly zhuzh in there too. That's a thermal. Yeah, check out Madam Glam's website, but please follow the link in my description box below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.